The key to most everyone's heart is through their stomach, especially around Valentine's Day. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you a creative way to show your love for your honey and keep everyone's heart happy and healthy. Hot honey cod. To begin, pat 1 pound of Alaskan cod fish fillets dry with paper towels. Sprinkle with 3/4 teaspoon of salt, then set aside. Next, in a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons of Hy-Vee hot honey, 2 tablespoons of Culinary Tours coarse ground smoked porter mustard, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of Gustari Vita olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Lowry seasoned pepper, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Set this honey sauce aside for now. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of butter until melted. Then add fish fillets in a single layer, cooking over medium heat for 6 to 7 minutes, turning halfway through. Reduce the heat to low and pour the honey sauce over the fish. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes or until sauce is bubbly, spooning over the fish occasionally. Then remove the skillet from heat. Next, cook 1 package of Full Circle Market 7 grains in a microwave according to package directions. Transfer these to a medium bowl and fluff them with a fork. Add in 4 cups of lightly packed baby spinach and arugula blend, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Toss well to coat. Then divide and top with fish, sauce, and lemon wedges on the side. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com and sign up today for Hy-Vee Perks, a free and easy program for Hy-Vee shoppers. Access exclusive perks prices, earn discounts on gas when you purchase designated products, and save more with exclusive deals, offers, and rewards.